cordless leaf blower from the company Knockland. How about that? The Knockland blower. And just going over the box here, it's got high speed, low noise, powerful motor, and endurance battery. And I know it sounds crazy. It's all in this little box right here. This is more kind of a blower that's going to be for cleaning up, maybe around your, I got a van that I got this for so I can blow it out, and around maybe a couple like your sidewalk or something like that. Now, obviously, it's not going to go in line with a full-on commercial blower, but you know what? For what it is, I think it's going to work perfect for me. So you're going to lock that in just like this. So you're going to take the fitting. They give you a fitting that locks in like that. And then this is going to go in here like that. And it's upside down. Let's do it like this. There we go, everybody. And see how it goes? See how that curve goes up, and that all goes just like that. Now, it does have a battery that comes with it. You get a 21 volt. It's called, it looks like it's the Dymax. It has a indicator, and mine came fully charged. How about that? So I ain't even got to charge it. But if you do want to charge it, it looks like you get a 1 amp charger that's going to plug in. Like a lot of these, it plugs in right there like that in the top. But we don't need that right now. And there's not much to these things. You basically slide that on like that. You got a button here. That feels way more powerful than I thought. I wonder if it's got a lock on it. You can turn right here if you want to go 1. I don't know why you'd ever do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, there you go. You know what? Let's go ahead. Let's put this thing to the test, and let me show you guys. There's some plastic that just came out of here. I think this is going to be the best use for it. Let's see if it knocks off these little well, it knocked off those rocks. Let me throw some rocks up here. There's a good indication. Well, it took some rocks off. If it can move rocks, I think it'll move leaves and debris and stuff like that. Like I said, everybody, I don't think that's going to be like suited for full-on commercial yardscaping or landscaping, but I think if you just want a quick one that you could clean off the top of a car, whether it's blowing snow off your vehicle or blowing off a sidewalk or something small and light duty, this is the way to go. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Knockland, you know, small little 6-speed blower. See you all in the next video.